What is up, my guys? Today we're going to play some Pokemon Unite. It's been a long time we haven't played Pokemon Unite since, but I quite don't play Pokemon Unite since, but I played it like before since 2024, 2025 or something. So okay, bro, we don't have connection. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking skipping the toilet? Okay, wait for a second, guys. Okay, I repaused the game real quick, so there. By the way, there's a new update today, so they have they have this guy right here, and this just yapping, shop updates, event updates, Sylveon, speed defense, Sylveon draining kiss, Sylveon draining kiss plus. I cannot click anything, so this could take like a while. So I can't even do anything. So I'm gonna see you. Wait for a sec, bro. It's pausing right now. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my goodness. Okay, we literally just restarted. We literally just restarted the game like 2 times already, 3 times already. Still loading. Well, I cannot even do anything. I can't even click anything. You can participate snow battle in Shiver City. Obtain special rewards. Winter update. Winter update. You can get special rewards. Okay, never mind. Winter sale shop now available. Special sale on various items. Holiday celebration. Prize machine event during event period. You can obtain 10 holiday balls. What the hell? Every day at no cost to a maximum of 100. So I'm just gonna see you. I'm just gonna wait for a second, guys. It's at 11. Still charging though, but I'm just gonna say I'm not gonna stay here. I'm just gonna cut the video so you can just like see. So I'm just gonna be back. So I'm just gonna cut this out. Wait for a second, guys. Alright, back. Yeah, I'm back. Okay, we're gonna participate some battles real quick. So this is just going to be like a long video today. Team up, rank bonus. I don't know what the hell is that. Account restrictions. You have fewer 80 play points. You cannot participate in battles. Are you freaking kidding me? I can't even join the freaking ranks. Are you freaking kidding me right now, bruh? Tinkatong. By the way, shout out to Zero because this thing is powerful as freak. Oh, there's no. Wait, give me that. Hey, give me that. 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 Thank you. Oh. Okay, never mind. Let's go. Let me just check my fair play points real quick. On only 60. By the way, guys, if you play Pokemon Unite, use this. Use my held items. Or if you have several edge, copy this too. And this also or something. I only have like 1,000. The shop? What the heck's winter shop? There we go, already found one. I'm just gonna use Sarah real quick. Use Sarah. Wait, do I even have like outfits on or something? Do I have anything? Yeah, only this though. No, I'm not gonna equip that for some reason. I'm gonna equip this guy. Let me just use wise glasses. Chat, guys, this Tyranitar is super powerful. This Tyranitar is so good right now, bro. We're about to cook. Okay, these guys are. Wait, why do we have like one? I thought we have. Oh, wait, why do we guys have one? Why do we have one? Like one golden ticket looking thing. Okay, there's not enough talking. Let's just go. Let's go. Rock pot. Okay, I accept, bruh. Oh, never mind. Go back here. Go back here. Go back here. Go back here. Go back here, bruh. Okay, thank you. Come on, spawn. Thank you. Right away, this Pokemon is busted, bro. Bruh. Do you already have their first goal? Nah, I'd win. Go back here. Nah, I'd win. Go back here. Go back here, runner. Go back here, runner. Where are you going? Where are you going, bruh? Where are you going, bruh? Where are you going, bruh? Where are you going? Oh, I see one. I see you. Go back here. No. I'm weak to that. I'm weak to that typing. I'm weak. Go. This guy. Only these guys because I'm really powerful. Stone Edge. Go. Come on, kill this guy. No, never mind. Run. Stone Edge. Kill. Come back here. Never mind. There you go. Easy. We're already cooking already, bro. This is actually so dope. I don't even own this Pokemon, bro. This might be super good. Run. Go back here. Bang. I'm not Ben. Bang. Go back here. Bang. Bro, these NPCs are in my way. Stop it, NPC. There you go. Thank you. Bang. Go back here. Bang. No, bang. when I get to level 9, starts getting pretty spicy already. And let me just get my to level 9, I guess. It's Jover for these people, bro. It's so Jover. It's Jover. Like, it's already Jover right now, bro. It's Jover. Okay, no one there. No, spotting. Spawning. Okay, spawning one. Spot one. Spawn one. Spotted. Come back here. Back here. Go back here. You're underestimating my skibidi powers. Come back here. You underestimate. Thank you. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I'm about to die. Goodness gracious. Run! Oh my goodness. That was so close. Kill this guy already. Kill. Come on. Go. Thank you. Ancient power. Come back here. You underestimate my skibidi powers, bro. You underestimate it. You underestimate my skibidi powers. You underestimate it. You underestimate. Bruh. Let me just go to Santa real quick. You, mister, come back here. Wait. Let me go to Rotom. Rotom. Let me go to Rotom. Ah! Bang! Underestimate my skibidi power. I hate my life. Greninja has 40. I think he's gonna take the dub, or I think. No. I hate you. Come back here, fool. Never mind, let's go down. Come on, bro. Come on. Go down. Yippee! Come on. Let's go. Come on. Make it to him. You freaking underestimate my skibidi powers. You underestimate it. You underestimator. You underestimator. Thank you. You freaking underestimate my skibidi powers. What a Sigma. Come back here, Haktua. I have so many. I'm just gonna score. Okay, we're just gonna take the dub. GG. And it's almost 20 seconds, and it's only like 2 seconds. Like, I don't know. Let me just GG. Come back here. You freaking skibidi. Booyaka. Booyaka. Shumbo balakaka. Bula la caca. 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 There you go. You underestimate my skibbity powers. You underestimate. Let me just. Yeah, booyaka, 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 booyaka. I am super angry mode. All of them are, bruh. We have the dopest team ever, bruh. Come on, score, 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 score. This is just dope. This is dope. This is dope. This is dope, 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 dope. This is dope, 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 dope. There's so many enemies to kill. I wonder if I had a freaking Gardevoir. Because it will be freaking epic. Booyaka. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Come back here. Bro's a runner. Bro's a runner from TSB. Come back here. I'm literally constipated. There go, there go. Okay, go, 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 go. Shumbala la caca. Boom la la caca. Boom la la caca. Boom la la caca. Boom la la caca. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here, criminal scum. Come back here. Come back here. Go, 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 go. Kill, 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 kill. Come on, bro. Come back, bro. Pussy. You freaking dodger. Runner. I'm running. I'm running for my life now. Run, run, run. Come on, bruh. Please. Yay! Let's go. GG's. GG. Let me just friend them real quick. There you go. Main menu. I have so many XP from that, bruh. I got so many XP. By the way, here's my ID. Here's my ID. Here's my rank. By the way, here's my rank. Expert class 2. There's a side duck there though. Okay, only 71, so that's actually kind of cool. Not gonna lie. 31. Okay. I won a total 30. I won 30. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.